Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Landcruiser GX cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5777. The shape runs from the 10th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a 1VD 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 1VD 4.5 litre 8-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, flared type, left door mirror, truck mirror type. Left front door has 2 small dents and light wobbles. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It has an aftermarket fuel tank, long range. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with grey vinyl interior. Centre console, cup holder. 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor and the right sun visor.